Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my PR and social media planner, which is in a custom cover using the Raven leather from Mystic's Little Gifts, or MLG & Co. This is what it looks like. It's a little bigger than your typical A5 because it holds a DIY disc bound planner. I also have room for notebooks if I choose to include them. So let's jump in here and get busy. I have a variety of different inserts in here, and yeah, I think I have been using this style. So I'm going to start off with this style. We may change it up as we go, but this one is for the week of the 4th through the 10th of January. So let's get started. I'm going to use this kit or mini kit from the Jewel Box, and I pulled out these washies to use. So I think these two are from Walmart. This is from Michael's, and it's one of the specialty releases, and I can't think of the name of it right now. And then this is from Simply Gilded. Okay, let's get started. And as far as stickers, I have some printables that I'm using. I made myself some headers for social media, and then this was available in the 25 days of digital giveaways that we had for Christmas, and so I'm gonna maybe be using this, not sure. I'm gonna use this for my dates, I think, my date dots. Use these boxes, maybe. So it's gonna be a pretty neutral spread minus the dark red. So let's go ahead and start with putting down the date covers. So if you are interested in the Jewel Box products, I will leave their information in the description box below, along with my discount code, so you can check them out and save a few dollars. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna go ahead, and I never use these purses that say period, but I think I'm gonna do that to mark the end of the spread, period. And I don't think I need a header on every single day. Let's see. Since I'm not even gonna make Instagram first. I'm gonna put it second. Put YouTube first. These people are flying through this neighborhood like it's a racetrack. I don't know what's going on here lately. And I think somebody got a motorcycle for Christmas because they have been gunning it. And I didn't put Patreon on here. I probably could have skipped Pinterest and went with Patreon. Really, I don't need Twitter either. Okay, so that can travel across the week. Saturday and Sunday can remain open. So it seems like people have been driving a little extra crazy since the cough. I've noticed it. It's like they'll just gun it and fly up and down the roads. I mean, people already drive a little special in Florida anyway. Well, in Central Florida. But it's been crazy out there lately. It's like, I don't know, drivers are thinking, well, since we have the situation that we have, who's gonna check me, boo? So they just are flying and driving any kind of way they want to drive. Ooh, I think I might have some flowers that might work with this as well. So maybe I'll save these for another spread. Even though, no, I might save those. Okay. Let's put down the doll. Should I put her over here? She doesn't exactly match. We'll put her right there. And then I don't think I'm going to use anything else from here because I need room to write. These are printables from the seasonal pages, and yep, this is going to work. So I'm going to use a couple of these florals. I guess I need to take this out. Use a few of these to hopefully, I don't know, that washi tape is more purple than red. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so let's see where we can put some of these without taking up too much space. Okay, so I think we are good on that. Let us go ahead and put some dates down before I forget. I think I'm going to use my dates and holidays instead because they're smaller. And and less obtrusive. Let's see if I can find them. This is where we are. Let's see. Do I need some boxes? I'm gonna put a couple of boxes. Let's see. I have some long stickers on my Kwanzaa stickers, so I'm gonna use one of those. Okay, and then I have these week stickers. So let's see if I can put them to use. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's it, and I think I'm gonna do Patreon here. I have Patreon stickers, but I don't, it's in the Patreon color. So I want my social media stickers to be neutral so that they don't interfere with my spread. So I'm not gonna use it. But I know what I mean here. Maybe I can use this. Let me see. No, not notes. So I think that's it. I think we're done. So I'm gonna pop this back in. I'm pretty happy with that. Cause let's see. Am I going front to back or back to front? I didn't even take out my old stuff. I don't think I will. This can probably come out though. I think this can come out. Okay, so I'm going to do it that way. Start putting them in the front. What is this? Okay. Now let's put these in here. Oh, I forgot about that. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to repunch because I never line it up right. So I'm just going to cut it out as best as I can. Fold it over. I cut it off, but I need my detail scissors for that, so I'll just fold it over for now and pop it on in here. Okay, so that's the spread. Let's get rid of these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.